Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. There's something so appetizing about Indo-Chinese cuisine, isn't it? Whenever I go to a Chinese restaurant, Schezwan fried rice is something that I always order. And what's better than eating it in the restaurant? That's right, making it at home. First, quickly rinse 2 cups of rice in water for a couple of times and soak it in water for 30 minutes. Keep the rice aside. Next, take 20 red chillies that is de-seeded and stems removed. Soak this in boiling water for 20 minutes and then drain it and use it in the dish. Add the red chillies to the mixer jar. Add 3 tablespoons of the chili soaked water as well. And blend it to a fine paste. Next, heat a saucepan and add 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then add 18 cloves of finely chopped garlic, and 1-inch long ginger that's finely chopped. Make sure to saute it for 30 minutes on a medium flame, but do not burn it. Then add the chili paste and saute in the oil for 2 minutes on a high flame. Then add a cup of water that we use to rinse the chili paste from the jar and mix this well. Then add a teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 5 chopped small onions or shallots, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and mix it well until they are well combined. Finally, add salt as per your preference and again mix this well and simmer on a medium flame for 7 minutes or until the oil separates from the gravy. See, our Schezwan sauce is ready. Please ensure that you stir the gravy occasionally and do not burn the sauce, because this sauce is very important. Meanwhile, heat 2 liters of water until the water reaches a rolling boil. Then add the soaked rice, a teaspoon of oil, and the required salt. Stir the rice occasionally and cook on a high flame for 5 minutes. We need the rice to cook until 90% cooked. The rice is nice and done. Let's check. It's perfect. Move from the flame. Drain the water through a sieve and spread the rice on a plate and cool down to room temperature. Now heat a heavy bottomed deep pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic and a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, half a cup of shallots from the spring onion, and saute it on a high flame for 30 seconds. Then add 1 carrot that is finely chopped or shredded and saute it for a minute on a high flame. Then half a cup of beans that is finely chopped and saute it on a high flame again for a minute. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Now add a cup of shredded cabbage and saute it on a high flame for a minute. Try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. Now add half a cup of chopped mushroom and saute it on a high flame for a minute. You know, This dish has good nutritional value due to the addition of fresh vegetables and is a complete meal in itself. Now add chopped green, red and yellow capsicum or bell peppers and again saute on a high flame for 2 minutes. See how the colors are singing together. Wow, I'm loving it. Next add 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce that we prepared earlier. This sauce will be super spicy and tangy and will make this dish so unique, and it's very important to this dish. Mix this well until the sauce gets well combined with all the vegetables. Next add a teaspoon of vinegar and mix it well. Talking about the Indo-Chinese cuisine, it is considered to be an adaptation of Chinese seasoning and cooking techniques to suit Indian taste buds. Divide the cooked rice into 3 small portions and add the first portion to this vegetable mixture. And gently mix the rice and the vegetables as we do not want the rice to break. Then add the second portion of the rice and again gently mix it. Ensure that the rice doesn't break. Finally, add the remaining rice and gently mix until the sauce is coated to the rice completely. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. You can also follow me in Facebook and Instagram, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Add a teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 cup of spring onions, and again gently mix this until they are well combined. A small fun fact here, the Indo-Chinese cuisine is believed to have its origin in small Chinese population who came to India 2 centuries back to Kolkata and created unique fusion of Indian and Chinese dishes. Check the salt at this stage and add more if required, and combine the rice and the salt gently together. You can use regular rice for making it or even the leftover rice. However, I prefer basmati rice because it tastes really good. As a final touch, I am garnishing with a 1/4 cup of spring onions again. You can add any vegetable of your choice or any protein of your choice or even egg and create your own exotic dish. Transfer the rice to a serving bowl and serve it hot with any Manchurian sauce of your choice, and it can be served for lunch or dinner. To make it more appetizing, sprinkle little spring onions on top before serving. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications of my new videos. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week, and until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye bye.